So, Senseonics stock has been running like crazy, and we had a nice little dip on Thursday and Friday, and now you guys are probably wondering, what's next? Well, that's where technical analysis can be super useful and powerful in predicting where the stock heads in the short term. So let's jump into the technicals, and with that being said, make sure to subscribe for more no fluff content because I don't waste 10 to 20 minutes of your time. I break down the technicals short and in depth. So let's do it. Alright, so jumping into the technicals on this 1 month 30-minute chart, we can see a few interesting things right off the bat. First of all, a couple videos back, I told you guys how we were forming the symmetrical triangle right over here and how things were looking pretty bullish. We got an EMA cross with the blue line, which is the 9 EMA, crossing above the 21 EMA, which is the purple line. Along with that, the MACD line, which is the red line, crossed above the green signal line, and that again is also a sign of a momentum shift upwards. And that's exactly what happened, guys. Like, the stock ended up squeezing higher. Now, last video as well, I told you guys how the stock would face resistance around this $5 level. So it temporarily broke above this $5 level and struggled to hold it, and eventually broke down to this 435 level, which was again the exact level I broke down in last week's video. So if you take a look at what's happening, it seems like the stock is forming in another symmetrical triangle. As you can see, it's getting tighter and tighter in this range. Along with that, we can see the MACD line, which is the red line, beginning to cross back above the signal line, which is the green line, and it's very similar to what happened back over here before the stock ran up to $5. So if we can get a definitive break, that will be full confirmation that the momentum is starting to shift, and there's a lot of potential that the stock ends up squeezing above this symmetrical triangle. Along with that, if we take a look at Senseonics on the 6-month daily chart, we can see that on Friday it formed a long-legged doji, and essentially a long-legged doji signals potential for a reversal. So now that it's dropped quite a bit lower, and it's also found support on this 9 EMA, which is this blue line, as you can see, it's been holding the 9 EMA in the 6-month daily chart. I really believe the stock could be setting up for a squeeze higher to retest all-time highs. So now let's talk about my price target and where I see the stock heading. So before I jump into the stock again and add more to my position, I want to see how this symmetrical triangle plays out. And I'll say this again, guys, these triangles can go either way. They can squeeze higher and they can squeeze lower. And so this is why it's so important to wait for confirmation and to wait to see which way the stock goes. And I teach all of that in the Gen Z Trader Academy. You can check the link down below. And if the stock ends up breaking higher above the symmetrical triangle and we get the breakout, then I believe the stock can retest all-time highs of $5.56, and if it breaks that, the stock could easily head to $6 to $7, and I really believe in the next year that this stock could be touching $10. But however, if the stock breaks below the symmetrical triangle and fails to hold this 435 level, then I could see the stock heading all the way down to this $4 level where it had resistance right in this general area over here, and over here. So again, wait to see which way the symmetrical triangle breaks out, and those are the key levels to watch. With that being said, make sure to like, subscribe, and check out the Gen Z Trader Academy link down below, where my goal is to help you learn technical analysis and help you make better entry and exit decisions, because technical analysis can really help make you more profitable. With that being said, I'll see you guys next time. Take it easy, clocking out for now. Peace.